Alright everybody, the bike's been running for about 5 or 6 minutes now, so I'm going to show you the bike running at its normal idle. As you can see, it settles down right above 1,000 RPMs. As you can see, the bike's in beautiful condition. The only modification done to it is a tail elimination kit. The blinkers are in the tail. I'm not worried about safety. I think it works just as well as the orange ones. And that's it. The bike comes with, as you see here, with a manual, one key, and a toolkit. Thanks so much for watching.